Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I woke up with something very exciting and I really want to show you guys. Guess what's inside the box?
And here is my Morphe collection. I was waiting for this package from long time and finally it is here. So let's get started and see what all we have got. And here comes 24A Artistic Palette. This is so colorful. I think this will be my best friend in summer. I'm so excited to play with all these colors. Let's try some swatches. Yellow, blue, purple. Oh, it's so pigmented. And the next one is Jeffree Star. The packing itself is so fascinating. I was waiting for this palette since long time. Wow, this is so colorful. I love the green color. And here is 39S Such a Gem palette. And it is really such a gem palette. It has a good collection of purple and pink shade range. And here is 35B Full of Colors palette. This consists of all matte colors. You will definitely enjoy playing with this one. Wow, I love it. And here comes Jaclyn Hill. This is another best palette for summer collection. Can't wait to use them. This is 35 Emboss Smooth, one of my favorite palette. Alright, so moving on. The collection is incomplete without James Charles, one of my favorite palette. It's so colorful. It has all rainbow colors. This one is my favorite palette. Oh my god, this is too much. I think I need to buy a new one day. Stay tuned to see new tutorial with new palettes. Thank you.